everyone, this is from Optometry Discussion. On the behalf of the entire team and our speakers, being a moderator, I would like to inform each and everyone with a hearty congratulations that we have finally started our tutorials regarding optometry and ophthalmic discussions. I would like to thank the founder of Ophthalmology Discussions, that is Ms. Komal Sharma. She is right now working as an assistant professor. All that the previous videos or the previous sessions are going very well. The students have been registering for the sessions, and similarly we have come up with a contact lens week for everybody and every one of you. So it is very important, like any kind of contact lens queries regarding the soft contact lens, regarding the RGB contact lens, we have got a series of lectures that will be reported accordingly by our speakers, and I will provide you with the respective dates and definitely the information that is to be shared. So we are going to start right from 22nd of July. Our contact lens week will start over then, and registrations are going to happen the same way as the previous registrations happened. The link will be shared very much soon. And yes, so the topics that we are going to cover in the contact lens week, we start right here. The first topic is history taking and terminologies in the contact lens. That is going to be held on 22nd of July, which will be taken by Mr. Naveen sir. Second most important topic is the soft contact lens, and soft contact lens, it is going to include everything regarding the pre-fitting, regarding the post-fitting, regarding the precautions, regarding the care of the contact lens, everything. So it is going to happen on 23rd of July, and the session will be taken by Ms. Komal Sharma. Third session is again we'll go for the RGB lenses. Again, the pre-fitting, post-fitting, any kind of precautions, any kind of like workups for contact lens and everything. That is going to be taken on 24th of July, and the session is going to be held by Mr. Om sir. Then we'll also provide a session for scleral contact lenses. Now this is a topic that a lot of people think that is going to be discussed on 26th of July by Mridul Goyal. And yes, the registration link is out, and you guys can register for the contact lens week for a share information right from 22nd of July to 26th of July. So hurry as soon as possible and grab your seats. Tell us the topics after the first session happens, and quickly register for your seats. And it's like for the summer breaks or the summer gaps, we have reduced the amount to just 50 rupees per session. So it's just like you can have plenty of knowledge, enormous of knowledge, just at the rate of 50 rupees per session. Finally, coming to the registration process. For registration, you can just contact the number given on the pamphlet you have received, and also you can also open the link for the registration, and the payment amount will be registered over there, and the payment will be successful, and you will get a link to follow for the sessions from 11